Put a finger down if you hate seeing wash days coming. Hey beauties, today I'm going to be showing you my lazy wash routine. I'm starting by wetting my hair. This is high porosity hair, definitely. You can see how fast it soaks up the water. So as fast as it soaks up the water, it is how fast it is going to be losing it. Yeah, that is the problem with the high porosity hair. So since this is a lazy wash routine, I'm not going to be doing a pre-poo or a pre-DIY deep condition. So I'm going to be applying my shampoo. I'm using Palmer's cocoa butter shampoo, finger detangle, and then after I'm going to go in with my massage brush. So that is how the massage brush looks. So it is just going to help me get in there, like it makes the scalp feel amazing. It also helps to get, the product build up, the dandruff, the creams, the oils, from where the fingers could not reach or could not get or could not, scratch. It does the job. After shampooing, I am rinsing my hair, so I don't use hot water, warm water. I'm using normal temperature water, normal cold water to rinse or to wash my hair. So after I'm shampooing the second round, to make sure I get my scalp really clean, I'm getting all the product build up, the dandruff, the oils, the creams from my hair. So I do hair tutorials and I tend to put a lot of gel on my scalp, so I'm making sure I'm getting everything out of my hair. So after, I'm going to be rinsing and then deep conditioning. So this is Palmer's cocoa butter formula biotin pack for length retention. So I'm going to be applying in my hair, detangle, cover with a plastic bag, and then I'm going to be letting it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. If you haven't considered subscribing to my channel, please consider subscribing. I do natural hair styling tutorials, skincare, hair care, a little bit about everything on beauty. So please subscribe to my channel, tap on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any new video. And after 20 minutes, this is how my hair looks. It is feeling soft. Yes, so one thing I love about the Palmer's cocoa butter biotin formula is that it leaves my hair soft, easy for detangling and easy to work with. And the scent, guys, is amazing. One thing about Palmer's products, be it body products, be it hair products, the smell is amazing. The scent is just, for me, it is just great. So it is going to leave your hair feeling moisturized, soft, and smelling amazing. So after rinsing, I'm going to go in with a conditioner. No matter what deep treatment or treatment you use on your hair, don't forget to use a conditioner in your hair. Length check, everyone. Ha 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 ha. I'm using Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Conditioner. So I'm just going to apply in my hair and then detangle. As you have noticed that I'm not working in sections. My hair is short and easy to work with, but if you have voluminous and long hair, you can work in sections for easy management. It is going to ease your wash routine when working in sections. So my hair is short, it is easy to work with, it is manageable. And have you seen the curl definition? I mean, my hair is beautiful and you cannot tell me nothing. Look at that curl definition, guys. My hair is really soft. It is easy to detangle. It is easy to work with. So I'm going to be rinsing out, and then after I'm going to be doing a tea rinse. So I cannot end a wash day without a tea rinse. And one thing about my fussy hair is that it loves water, because look at this beauty. I mean, I'm obsessed. Hair is beautiful. It is giving everything it is supposed to give. It is very luscious. I mean, the curls, it looks like a wash and go sort of. So this is my tea rinse, hibiscus and green tea. So I'm just going to rinse my hair with this tea, and I'm not going to be washing it off. And ever since I started doing tea rinses, my hair has stopped shedding, breaking, or falling unnecessarily. So it has really helped to strengthen my hair. So thank you guys for watching. This is my lazy wash routine. And this is how much hair I lost. So thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Tap on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any new video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and let me know what you think about this wash routine in the comment section. Bye. I'll see you in my next video. Love you.